Depending on the development processes and standards in place in your organization, you might find it useful to do some diagramming before you start designing screens. This could just be done on a whiteboard, but you also have some libraries in iRise that make it possible to do it within the tool. In order to do that, you'd click the Add Screen button, just as you would if you were adding a basic screen. You'll notice when you look in the libraries that there are 3 diagramming libraries. One for BPMN, Business Process Mapping and Notation. One for UML, which is Unified Modeling Language. And then one that's just a basic diagramming option. We have BPMN selected right now. Let's go ahead and add this screen so you can take a closer look. So some sample content will be provided here for you. You could use this as a starting point, edit any of the text that you want, similar to working in another tool like Visio or some other BPM tools. You can also copy and paste to elsewhere. Any of the components here can be edited, reshaped, realigned. So it's pretty versatile. Let's go ahead and add a UML diagram and see what that looks like. So same concept. This diagram is based on UML. You can do the same thing as far as double-clicking and editing text. Copying and pasting. And rearranging content. Finally, let's go ahead and take a look at the diagramming tool. Now this is the most versatile of the diagramming libraries. As you can see, you have a lot of different choices here. Everything from a mind map to a use case diagram, user flow, sitemap, swim lanes, and so on. Let's go ahead and choose that. Now that time you might have noticed that I double clicked on the page template in order to add it to our screen, so you don't necessarily have to click the new screen button after you've selected. So basic org chart.